Hello friends, myself Dr. Dinesh Bhutra, practicing as a dermatologist, cosmetologist, trichologist and laser specialist in India. I am also doing medical legal consultancy and I am the editor of 3 newspapers, Saundarya Varta, Saundarya Mantra and Skin and Hair Times. Today I am going to talk about the corticosteroids, the facts about the corticosteroids. When a doctor has prescribed the corticosteroids and patient is on corticosteroids, he has multiple queries in his mind whether regarding corticosteroids, and many times patient takes corticosteroids for long term by their own medication, and though he doesn't consult the doctor and he go on taking the medication, and at that time it gives the side effects. So I am going to tell you about the facts of corticosteroids. Corticosteroids are the medicines given to control your disease. They may also cause other changes inside your body. These side effects are temporary and will be relieved after the treatment is completed. So corticosteroid is a main drug of choice in many diseases, but if it is given under the monitoring of the doctor, dermatologist, and patient take the corticosteroid under the monitoring of the dermatologist, then there is no side effects. But if he takes the corticosteroid by its own for a long term, then it gives the side effects. So some facts about the corticosteroids for the patient to understand those. Use as per the instruction. Always use corticosteroid as per the instructions. Do not stop or continue unless you are told to do so. This is the first fact about the corticosteroid. Another, do not self-medicate. Never self-medicate corticosteroids. Another, corticosteroids are not anabolic steroids, which are used wrongly by athletes. These are not anabolic steroids. Corticosteroids have no or minimal side effects if used judiciously. If you get fever, pain in abdomen, chest, pain in chest, cough, or find blood in the stools or vomiting, report immediately to the doctor when you are taking corticosteroids. Long-term use of corticosteroid can cause weight gain, occurs due to water retention and due to increase in appetite. Also it increases the blood pressure, also it increases the blood sugar, and also it increases the acidity, gastroenteritis. So these are the long-term use of corticosteroids. Osteoporosis, thinning and brittleness of the bone, and hence more prone for the fractures. This is also one of the side effect of the corticosteroid when it is taken for a long term. It is possible to prevent or minimize these side effects by diet and exercise. In many conditions, the corticosteroids is the only drug of choice, and at that time we have to manage the disease with the corticosteroids. At that time, we can prevent or minimize the side effects by doing by proper diet and exercises recommended by your doctor. Diet high in fiber. Diet which is high in fiber including salads, sprouts, vegetable soups. Diet which is high in potassium, having bananas, oranges, dates and coconut water. And diet which is high in calcium, which is having milk and dairy products. This type of diet and a regular exercise will minimize or prevent the side effects of the corticosteroids. It can suppress immunological system and the defense mechanism of the body, and you are more prone to infection and hence need more precautions. It can also affect skin and lead to acne, striae and hirsutism. Muscle weakness due to low potassium is common in long-term steroids. Redistribution of body fat, moon face, buffalo hump and truncal obesity is also common when you are taking long-term corticosteroids. Eye disease, particularly glaucoma, increased intraocular pressure, and posterior subscapular cataracts is also very common when you are taking corticosteroids for a long term. So never take corticosteroid by your own. Under the supervision of a dermatologist, you have to take the corticosteroids, and if your disease, if you are supposed to take a corticosteroids for long term for your disease, then have a good diet habits and exercise to minimize or to prevent the side effects of the corticosteroids. Thank you.